If you want to change the wallpaper on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Wallpaper and Style. Now in here at the bottom, we should be able to find some example categories that we can use, but you can also tap on more wallpapers in order to find some other examples. Now let's say we're gonna go to this collection in here and we can choose any of these wallpapers that we wanted to use. We can tap in order to edit our photo. We can adjust the position, scale, and angle our photos quite easily. So you can zoom in and zoom out and move around over here. And apparently you should also be able to make these adjustments quite easy. And once you are done with the setup, just use this check in the upper right corner. There we go. We can also see the preview on the home screen and the lock screen. Once you are ready, tap on the next in the upper right corner. And then we can choose if you want to apply for the lock screen and home screen. And tap on the apply button. And there we go, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.